Put 5 candles on your stove and you'll never step into a hospital. Let them completely melt over low heat. Don't rush it. Once the wax is fully liquid, carefully remove the wicks using tongs or a fork and set them aside. Next, we'll add a tablespoon of Vicks VapoRub. Scoop it into the melted wax and let it dissolve as you gently stir. The scent alone is already amazing. Now grab a funnel and carefully pour the mixture into a glass jar, something sturdy and heat-proof, like the ones used for candles. While the wax is still hot, toss in a handful of cloves. Mix gently with a spoon to ensure the cloves spread evenly as the wax starts to set. Once the wax is semi-solid, it's time to reintroduce one of the wicks we saved earlier. Place it in the center of the jar, holding it upright with a clothespin. Let the wax fully harden around the wick. This should only take a few minutes. And now, the grand finale. Light your homemade candle and let it burn. As it melts, it will release a rich minty aroma with hints of cloves. Cold weather brings not only cozy vibes, but also dreaded seasonal allergies, colds, and stuffy noses. This candle is not just a pretty piece, it's a DIY respiratory relief powerhouse. The combination of Vicks VapoRub and cloves releases soothing vapors that can help clear nasal passages, reduce cold symptoms, and create a refreshing atmosphere in your home.